eating birdseed. Anyways, this is Shovelhead 8, Harper, Jonah, and welcome to another Fired Up Friday. And it's actually nice and warm out here compared to last time. But we're going to do light the fire the old-fashioned traditional way my grandfather taught me. So we got some leftover Amazon packaging here. We've got our Dominic Minichetti poker. Put it here out of the way. And what my grandfather taught me, use matches. These are some yard sale safety matches. I probably bought them 10 years ago. Anyways, they do the job. Not much danger setting anything on fire these days. Still got to make sure. Little birds are out this morning. Blue jays are eating frozen apples off the tree in the front yard. Oh, that's good enough. So we'll put this out. Just like that. And we'll leave it upside down for next time. Anyways, we'll go make some coffee. Alright, it's coffee time. Had a hard time getting them two boneheads in. Go on, get up on there. Okay, we're going to use our AeroPress again because it was close to the door. Don't need the cup or the cover. This is the travel model. Need a little tiny paper filter like that. It goes in here. It goes in there. This sits here. Freshly ground decaf coffee goes in here. And we'll start our kettle up. It was boiling inside, so it won't take long to get the cup to a boil. And we'll light our candles. And we'll check to see if the camera's actually working. And it is. I know it's not the nice kettle, but the nice kettle you have to fill with water to make it boil. And it's not worthwhile for this. So anyways, there's markings on the side. So we're going to make a big cup, so we're going to fill it up to 3. This is a stir stick that comes with it. And you're supposed to stir it all around. And it will be dripping through. And then you take your press part and you press it through. You don't have to wait long on this one. That should be just about it. Just put that there. It only gives you part of a cup, and you just cut it with hot water to make into regular coffee. Okay, because it's a tall mug, we've got a nice titanium extra long spoon. And it comes with this, which is the measure for the coffee if you are just scooping it out of a thing. Get our lid on. There's only a few ways to get this wrong, and I've tried most of them. So anyways, that's ready to drink. I know it's going to be hot. And it's good. Put enough coffee into it, that makes good coffee. If you're cheap, not so good. Anyways, that'll keep me running for the rest of the day. Anyways, you light these fires for the people that need them, those that have gone before us, and those of us that have been left behind. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.